Hello, I'm Evan from AMT Composites. Just want to run through the unboxing of the new vacuum pump that we've just got in. Open it up, remove the foam insert over the pump. Inside here is the vacuum gauge, and this vacuum gauge needs to be installed on the pump. And in the top of the this thing, there's 3 little bottles of oil, which is enough oil to fill the pump, plus a little bit extra. We'll just run through that in a minute. And the instructions or the data sheet of the pump that you're getting. Take the pump out of its box, out of its little foam protective case, and then out of the plastic bag. So this is a 4.5 CFM or cubic feet per minute pump. It comes with a non-return valve, electronic non-return valve installed, but the gauge is not installed. So all you got to do is remove that little black thing and screw the vacuum gauge into position over there. Just make sure that it's tight and doesn't leak, otherwise obviously you're going to be pulling air through that thing. This is the exhaust valve, and on this side over here, this red cap is the oil filler valve or opening. You remove that and you top it up with oil until the oil indicates halfway in the sight glass over here. Just make sure that you will have a little bit of extra oil. There are 3 bottles of oil in here. Each one's got about 140 milliliters. The total volume of this pump is 330 milliliters, if I'm not mistaken. The instructions do tell you. Yes, 330 milliliters of oil to get this to about the halfway line. Don't overfill it, because any excess oil in here is going to be exhausted through the exhaust into this little filter, and you're going to have a lot of noise, and it's going to smoke and it's going to look really horrible. This cap has to also be removed before you start. This is just for packaging and transport that it's on, and there's a little O-ring in here to stop leaking. If you do happen to accidentally overfill the pump, there's a little nut that you can remove here with an Allen key, drain out the excess oil, put it back in, and you're good to go. Under normal circumstances, you might get a little bit of smoke coming out of the exhaust. It's perfectly normal, and it's just an indication for you actually that the pump is working. And that's our new little vacuum pump. The price has come down a little bit as well, so it's a little bit cheaper. Just remember to install the gauge on there, and you will find it when you open the pump. You'll find it's been pushed into this position in this foam support or protective casing. Thank you.